found a little birdie to play with. Found a little birdie to play with. I found a little birdie to play with. Oh yes I did. I see a little birdie to play with. Ooh, look at the pretty birdie. Look at the pretty birdie. Two pretty birdies. Two pretty birdies. So I'm not too sure about that. They're big. They're really big. I'm a big Brave Puttytatt, but I'm not that big and brave. I'll just show off by scratching on my scratching post here. I don't want to look out that window. I think it's a nightmare. Those birdies could fly away with me. Don't you dare go after our oranges though. You go after those oranges and you will become shish kebab. We will shish kebab you. Those are gigantic. They're taller than me. Sandhill cranes. Tallest bird in North America, I believe, if you don't count emus and things like that. Ostriches. Oh. Hey, you heading my way? Oh my gosh, he's coming this way. They're coming this way. Hey, Puttytatt, come up here. Look at the birdies. Puttytatt, look at the birdies. Puttytatt. Yeah, you gotta look at the birdies. You gotta look at the birdies. No, I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm scared of the birdies. You are really pathetic. Do you know that? You're really pathetic. I'm just going to lay here. Oh, I'm so scared. The big, brave Puttytatt scared of the birdies. Ooh, you puffed up a little bit bigger there. Birdies, birdies, birdies. Save me from the birdies. I'm scared. Save me from the birdies, please. Save me from the birdies. There's scary things out here. We don't have things like that in Michigan. Any big birdies in Michigan are far away out on the water. The birdie's walking away. You walk away. You're scared of me. I'm a big brave Puttytatt. I'm a big brave Puttytatt. Yeah, I am. I'm a big brave Putty. What are you doing? Don't pick me up. Wait. Don't do that. Don't do that. What are you doing? Don't hold me there. I don't want to be in the window here. I don't want to look at the birdies. I don't want... Help! Help! He's making me look at the birdies. He's making me look at the birdies. I'm going down again. Yeah, I'll just take it out on the scratch pad. The birdies are scaring me. I used to be a big brave Puttytatt, but not anymore. Bye, scary monsters. There they go. They're walking away back to Jurassic Park. They're walking back to Jurassic Park. I'm going to lay down and have some bird nightmares here. Woe is me. Woe is me. Bye, birdies. Oh, now I'm brave and I can hop up. Yeah, you go, birdies. I was going to get you. I was going to eat you. Yep, I was going to get you. Yep, I'm brave now. Where'd you go? You better run. You better run, birdies. You better run. Yep, I'm the brave Puttytatt that protects this house. Yep, I do. I protect this house. Oh, I'm so tired from protecting this house. I'm so tired from protecting this house. Oh, it's a rough afternoon. Don't come back.